Hey, come on, it's time to upgrade yourself. So stop saying bad. You sound like a 5-year-old. Bad food, bad day, bad mood. So let's try to upgrade our vocabulary. Say these powerful words instead. You find bad food, call it terrible. Bad smell, call it awful. Bad situation, call it dreadful. Bad behavior, say atrocious. Bad experience, call it horrible. So, upgrade one word and sound 10x smarter instantly. So, which word did you like the most today? Do let me know in the comments and follow English Fairy for more such videos.